Und da bin ich wie... Da. Oh no, 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 no. Da war keiner. Da war keiner, da war keiner. Wo ist ich hin? You're dead. You hear me? Oh nein. So geht das. Ja. Ah, das tut mir leid, das tut mir leid, das tut mir leid, das tut mir... Fuck. Och Mann, ich wollte doch nur Freunde haben. Okay, also, ich bin noch nicht drin, ne? Nein, ich bin noch nicht drin. Ja, so ein Soziopath. Kaputt gemacht.
Hey, listen, come on out, we'll make a deal.
Okay, okay. So, wie viel habe ich denn davon? Ich meine, was ist das denn hier? Das ist hier ein Gemcoms. Bild davon welche.
Hey girl, where you going? Can you move? Oh, you trying to play me, huh? You gonna play me a little bit. Sorry, you back.
Oh ja, kotz dich aus. Kotz dich aus.
That doesn't sound right. Looks like a standard malfunction. What the hell? That sounds familiar. Track him. Let's move. Looking for him. Looks clear. I'll head that way. I got nothing. I'll check over there. There's nothing in here. Moving on. Move on. Huh? You know this isn't personal, right? There! It is! Come on, show me that pretty little mask! You know this isn't personal, right?
Das ist so schwierig. Okay, wie kann ich es machen? Ich hatte diese Unlock-Dinger. Da. So, davon stelle ich mir noch ein.
It's my specialty. Especially fly bunnies. Wait, hold on.
What up, weirdo?
Hey. Hey, girl, what's up?
What do you want?
Hey, girl, where you going?
Can you move?
Oh, you trying to play me, huh? You gonna play me a little bit. Sorry, you back.
Restricted area. Beat it.
Yeah, see? She's circling right around. Look at that. She know what's up. What just happened?
This ain't no jungle gym.
Somebody call maintenance.
Who the hell did that?
It's strange, but I feel good. Nothing's going right in my life, but I just don't care.
Man, I wish I was having a good day. Enjoy it while you can.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Now that is not right. Where the hell did that come from?
Heads up! Start searching that way. Watch yourself. This isn't good. Search the area. There he is! There! Why don't you give it up? Break up!
Pour it on! One good shot is all I need.
Think you're good? I'm better. So I'll check that way. Found him! Hey, asshole! Seriously, powerful. Got him! Hey, asshole! You pissed off some seriously powerful people. I'm coming for you!
Pour it on! One good shot is all I need.
So.
Your luck is out.
Think you're good? I'm better.
Glaubst du?
Hey, listen, come on out, we'll make a deal.
What the hell? Move up!
Oh Mann. Okay. Ich schaff das noch.
Game is, man, I can talk to anybody. It's special.
Okay, wie viele sind denn da? Das muss ich erstmal wissen, wie viele das sind. So. Also, wir hätten den da. Den da. Ja.
Where's the override?
Boah, wie ich die alle ausschalte.
Look out! It's clear. Watch it somewhere else. Heads up! Go that way. Area's clear. Moving on. Look out! We're taking hits! Don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
Oh, die werden jetzt alle nacheinander aus. So, wo kann ich denn
Nothing
noch?
over here. Moving on.
Kann ich denn noch einen tun? Wo kann ich den? Kamera da oben. Wo kriege ich denn noch rein? Wer hat eine Kamera? Da ist noch eine Kamera.
Looking clear. I'll head that way. Looking clear. I'll head that way. Don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
Okay, wie viele sind denn noch? Da sind noch ein paar. Geh da rein, bitte, geh da rein.
Nothing over here. Moving on. I got nothing. I'll check over there. Guard down. Somebody screwing with me?
Okay, den Großteil habe ich gekriegt.
Keep your eyes open. Nothing over here. Moving on. my problem.
Ah, Entschuldigung, dass ich gerade nicht so viel rede. Na komm her. Gar nicht auffällig, weißt du. Da einfach einer in die Luft gesprengt wird.
Don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
I don't see Jack. Gonna check somewhere else.
I got nothing. I'll check over there.
Ja, der kommt hierher.
It's looking clear. I'll head that way. Look out! Let's find him.
Whoa!
There's nothing here. Moving on. I got nothing. I'll check over there.
So. Ja, Entschuldigung, ich habe gerade einfach nichts gesagt, weil ich mich extremst konzentrieren musste. Okay, dann sind wir... LOL. So. Und von hier aus... Okay, bin drinne.
What was... That's it.
So.
Hacked in.
Bin ich kurz leise.
You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You got your access, and I've got mine. Profiler system's online. Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of stuff in the district. I could take advantage of some of this.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I mean, a lot of noise here.
Give me time to track your caller. I'll be in touch.
That.
So, ich habe jetzt den Backstage-Pass, ja. Krieg nur ich. So, aber ich muss jetzt auch gleich weg. Wo geht's denn hin? Wo ist denn? Ah, das ist das Coolste. Ja, dann bin ich weg. So, go, go, go! Und jetzt bin ich da.
Hey, I need you to cover something for me.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move him. Now I could pass this problem on to you since Maurice is really your problem. But that's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you...
All right, fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me put you out.
I said I'd handle it. What's the job? Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Then he's in luck.
So, mit diesem Dialog beenden wir die Folge. Jetzt speichern wir nochmal, machen dann mal die Zeit auf. Und mit diesem Dialog beenden wir die längere Folge. Die ist jetzt wirklich 45, die ist länger als 45 Minuten. So, und ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Lasst ein Like da, wenn es euch gefallen hat. Teilt es mit euren Kumpels. Abonniert, wenn ihr nichts mehr verpassen wollt. Und bis dahin. Haut rein. Tschüss.